If I had to start over, I would have done these summer planters completely different. For years, I have wanted to use these pink truffalas. They were great, but I was disappointed in the flowers that I planted around them. I was trying to mix it up and do something different than the proven winner Supertunia petunias, and I was let down for sure. I never plant fall containers, but since I'm so disappointed in my summer combos, I'm going to switch them over for an autumn vibe. I will be using a lot of plants I already have on hand. I got so many plants this summer trying to fix the ones I made at the beginning, so I have a lot of extra that I'll be able to use and save me some money. This thing might need water. I'm seriously obsessed with these. I think they're so pretty. They brought in so many pollinators. I think I just need a better combo to go with them next time. The non-glamorous part of the end of summer is continuing to water. Most of the plants in the ground are on a drip, but I did not put any of my containers on drip, which is another regret. Since the drip line went so well this year with the in-ground plants, I will be adding them to my containers next summer to make it easier. With my kids getting more and more into sports, I will have less and less time to water the garden consistently, so the drip line should really help keep even more plants thriving.